Meaning of infinitely.
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 Infinitely. Infinitely is an adverb that means without limit or boundlessly. It refers to a state or condition of being limitless, endless, or never-ending. When something is said to be infinitely large, it means that it has no upper bound, and when something is said to be infinitely small, it means it has no lower limit. This concept is essential in mathematics, where some equations have infinite solutions, and in cosmology, where the universe is believed to be infinite. The word infinitely denotes the vastness, boundlessness, and incomprehensibility of certain things beyond our understanding.